morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar gained as US President Donald Trump hosted talks on ending Russia's war in Ukraine, and traders paired bets on a September rate cut before a speech on Friday by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Oil prices edged up as investors awaited talks between US President Trump and his Ukrainian counterpart after an inconclusive US-Russia summit in Alaska. Ukrainian President Zelensky said he was ready to work to end the war with Russia ahead of a meeting with Trump. Wall Street's main indexes were down as investors awaited a raft of corporate earnings reports from major retailers for more signs about the state of the economy and the Federal Reserve's annual symposium in Jackson Hole. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Gold prices edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.